I want to thank you for this opportunity, bro. When I met you and you put me up on that almond oil, you know, you taught me something that I ain't actually know, and I appreciate it. But one thing you did teach me was anything that I put on the outside of my body, I should be able to take internally.
To be able to eat it.
And that's something I didn't know, and it made a lot of sense. So now I don't want to use no more lotion.
Okay.
I don't want to use no more of that stuff there if I can't take it. And this location right here at 12890 West Colonial Drive, your product will now be available in here.
Wow.
And I hope that we can just continue to build business,
Yes,
right? We can continue to show love, one love, right?
Sir.
And we can educate people one person at a time.
Time.
You know what I'm saying? Because we got to work on our temple. You know what I mean? And that's a blessing.
It is.
So
Absolutely.
thank you for coming, bruh. You kept your word.
Yeah, man. Thank you for having me.
You kept your word, bruh.
Yeah, man.
So I look at more.